Hello and welcome to Larissa's Kitchen. It's time for another simple yet deeply satisfying meal. Tonight I'm putting together rotisserie chicken sandwiches. This first one is piled high with roasted garlic, so you should be safe should you find yourself in a congregation of vampires. Let's see what we're gonna need. First up is the Vampire Bane. I'm using naan for this bread, although you could use any flatbread, including pizza crust and tortillas, to make these sandwiches. I've got Italian seasoning, the aforementioned roasted garlic, sliced rotisserie chicken breast. Now I like to leave the skin on, but you can take it off if you like, along with softened butter, sliced brie, and a mixture of grated Gruyere, Fontina and Havarti cheeses. I'm making these one at a time in the toaster oven, although you could probably make them all at once in the oven if you'd like to. Let's get started. This flatbread has an obvious top and a bottom. We're going to be working in the bottom here. So we're going to cover this with our butter. As much or as little roasted garlic as you'd like. I'm going to put quite a bit on here. A little bit of Italian seasoning. And a few slices of brie. Now we're only putting these on half because the sandwich is going to be folded in half. This needs to go in the toaster oven. This is going into toast for about 1 minute. We just want to get the cheese to start melting and this butter to warm up. And now we just put on the rest of the toppings. We're only putting this on 1/2, of course, because we're going to be folding this sandwich in half. The cheese goes over the top of everything. Then back in the toaster oven on low broil for about 5 minutes. But let's not stop here. The sandwich can also be topped with hummus, chicken, sliced Greek olives, and provolone. Then it's under the broiler for 5 minutes. You can make a pizza version of this with pizza sauce, chicken, pepperoni, and grated mozzarella cheese. This too goes under the broiler for 5 minutes. We can enjoy the sweet tart flavor of a fruit sandwich, starting with butter, a bit of fruit spread, some pepper if you like, sliced brie, then this goes under the toaster oven. Then we add chicken, thinly sliced apples, and more grated Gruyere and Havarti cheese. This too goes back under the broiler for 5 minutes. Let's give this sandwich a taste. Oh, I love the garlic. I love that Gruyere, Fontina, and Havarti mix. It's wonderful. Thank you for visiting Larissa's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.